are going to take a quick look at this Oliver 4265 helical head 12-inch joiner. It did sustain minor damage on this side here. The crate was slightly pushed in, so it did dent the cabinet in two places up front on the base. Right here's a crease, and you can see the secondary crease right here, but that is it. So someone is going to get a great deal on this Oliver. Give us an email or a call if you have questions about it. In the meantime, we are going to take a look at this Delta 43791 7.5 horsepower shaper. You do have 4 3/4 inches under the nut. That means under the threads. It's just about right there as far as 4 3/4 inches. And again, that is an 1 1/4 spindle. You do have aluminum fence plates. It does have forward and reverse. Quiet running. It does have a motor brake. Reset it. We're going to throw it in reverse. This time I'm going to hit stop. It does have a spindle lock, so we're going to come in, turn this handle, and you'll hear it click. Right there, it is locked. Simply pull this out, twist clockwise to unlock it. Open the lower cabinet. This is how you change your speeds. It does have speeds of 3,000, 4,000, 6,000, 8,000, and 10,000 RPM by flipping the belt. We are missing a throat plate. We have the smallest, but we are missing the number 2. It doesn't really matter for most people because this is about what people are going to keep that opening open till 2. Does come with a Delta 36839 1 horsepower feed. We did put brand new poly wheels on it. Let's go ahead and start it real fast. That's turtle. That's gonna be a rabbit, so your fast and slow speeds. And finally, your 2 other speeds for reverse. Nice and quiet. We'll unlock that spindle real fast. It raises and lowers really nicely. As you can tell, I'm barely 2-fingering this. If we go around back, the fence moves as it should. I think the only thing I did notice is this handle is cracked and someone glued it at one point. It does function, but it's just a slight crack right here. This machine is wired for 230-volt 3-phase operation. If you have any questions or comments, you could reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.